me tell you all about these extended spring twists that I have in my head. Do y'all see the length? Do y'all see it? Hey y'all, it's Jaila aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. Okay y'all, so let me tell you all about these extra long spring twists. This is not a tutorial because I have plenty of those already on my channel. So if you are looking for a spring twist tutorial, I got you sis. I'm going to go ahead and link it above and also in the description box below with this exact same hair so you know exactly what you're doing. Go ahead and check that out and then come back to me so I can show you how to extend the twist. So if you're looking to achieve some super long spring twists on yourself, go ahead and keep on watching this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you can know anytime I'm posting a new video. Let me go ahead and show you what the spring twists are looking like. But the star of this show is not the twist itself, it's the length. Let me show you how long these spring twists are on my 5'10" self. Do y'all see the length? Do y'all see it? And again, I'm almost 6 feet tall, so these twists are long, honey, okay? I have already featured this hair, which is the Outre Xpression Springy Afro twist hair. I featured that in another video and talked all about my experiences with it. Spoiler alert, I love it. I may love this hair so much that I'm doing a giveaway at the end of the video. So make sure you stay tuned so you can win you some hair. With the strand of hair from the pack, I actually split this strand up into 4 pieces and I used 2 pieces per twist. So taking the hair just like this, I'm going to split it directly into 2. Just like that. And I'm only using one of these 2 sections for an entire twist. I split this also into 2, just like so, and this is what I'm going to use for just one twist. So the first strand of hair that you have for this twist is going to be your regular twisting section. Braid it at the top, twist it all the way down until you get basically to the ends. If you need a more detailed tutorial on how to install spring twists, I will go ahead and link one above. I would add in the hair when you're noticing that the twist is getting a little thin. So about here is where I'm going to add in my hair. And I'm going to take my extra piece of hair and I'm going to take that, line it directly up in the center of the hair. I'm grabbing this in one hand, and with this hand, I'm going to start to twist the old strand and the new strand. Very similar process to doing Senegalese twists. Just like that. I'm going to cross it over and I'm going to do the exact same thing to this section until it really doesn't look like I have a new strand anymore. The old strand is completely integrated with the new strand, and now I can just twist to the right like I was doing for my initial spring twists. It really gets hard to start twisting this hair when it gets to a certain length, so I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This is what I did to make it easier to twist this hair. Just like this, I wrapped that twist right around my head so that the length was a little shorter, and now this is like way easier for me to twist. And this is my super long extended twist. All right y'all, so let me tell you all about these extended spring twists that I have in my head. So first of all, I have exactly 98 twists in my head, and I use 2 1/3 pack to achieve those 98 twists, okay? Some other details about this style. It took me about 2 days to achieve this style. It's a lot quicker than doing very long box braids. So if you're looking for a quicker option, an easier option, highly recommend doing twist over braids. Let me go ahead and show you my parting situation. So you will notice that I do not have straight parts. So yes, I would call these parts freeform. What I basically did is take my rat tail comb and I tried to make a curved part building on the part that was below it. The only straight line that is in my hair is my middle part. Other than that, everything is pretty curved, and I just kind of built on top of each other, starting from the back of my head and then working my way all the way up. So these were the very first parts that I did. And from there, I just built upon that. Couple reasons why I did that freeform parting. First of all, it's a lot easier and it takes a lot less time than trying to get perfectly like boxed parts. I ain't have time. I ain't have the patience to be doing no boxes. Second of all, it just looks way more natural for me. So box braids, I feel like are supposed to be like, you know, but these twists, especially with this texture of hair, look so super natural that I want to commit to the natural look. So I went ahead and opted for more curved parting rather than the boxes. So hopefully that helps somebody who is interested in my parting. Some other questions you may have about this hair: it is super light. I can easily put it up, but I could do a bun situation. Definitely easy to do updos. And as far as attention, I don't have any at all. Like, this is not uncomfortable to me. I just installed these twists yesterday and I'm able to flip them any sort of way. So if you are somebody who has gotten used to like the knotless tension or the lack of tension with knotless braids, I feel like this is a pretty low tension hairstyle. So if you're interested in winning 3 packs of this hair, this is the Outre Xpression Springy Afro twist hair in the length 24 inches. This is what you need to do. First of all, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Hello. Second of all, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at JaiChanellie, and go ahead and like this picture. Under this picture, just comment extendo or inches or XXL, something regarding the length of these twists. Anything. It don't, you just be creative. Again, to win 3 packs of this hair, remember that I only used 2 1/3 pack to complete my entire head, and the last time I did twist with this hair, I only used 1.5 packs. I really want to do this giveaway because, first of all, y'all show me so much love and so much support on anything that I post related to spring twists on this channel, and I highly appreciate you for that. And I also just appreciate the support on my channel in general, y'all. We are almost at 16,000 subscribers. Y'all show me love in the comments on my community page, and I just want to show a little bit of love back. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also like this video so YouTube can share with other people, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.